Yaram Naidu, good evening. Purnima Advani, former chairperson of the National Commission for Women, is joining us on the show this evening. Prima facie, I don't understand, Mr. Yaram Naidu, how you can be so defensive about this man just because he belongs to your party, when you know the charges against him are heinous. And if these charges are anywhere close to true, you should be sacking him from your party, not defending him.
No, you see, normally this was happened on 18th, the false complaint given by one Congress activist on 18th of last month in the sections 3, 720, rape and murder. So what happened on the same day, the district administration, Mr. Collector and SP, RDO, they went to the institution, they inquired about the incident. But on the same day, after thorough inquiry, individually, group of people, even not only the Kerala girls and other students, they given a statement to the media. So all are the rumors. Nothing was happened here. This is not the statement of the Telugu Desam or the Congress activist, given by the subdivisional magistrate, RDO, Yeluru. So after
Mr. Ramar,
some time...
Mr. Naidu. Mr. Naidu, you know, I would like to believe the version that you're putting out, but I cannot. And the reason for this is this, that A, apparently top leaders, very top leaders of your party have apparently said that these women have been paid money. Is that true? Have you
No,
made...
that is not at all.
No.
Apparently
your party top leaders have said these girls who are saying, in fact, we are the victims of molestation, have been influenced with money, and that it's a frame up.
No, that is not at all correct. No, that is not at all correct. I was there on the day press conference was held by my leaders. I
Did he
was
say
present
that?
on the day. What happened? After so many days, the CID officials of Andhra Pradesh went to Kerala along with the Congress leaders. We have given the phone numbers, vehicles and everything.
No, these are 19-year-old girls.
They brought all these people.
No, these are 19-year-old girls. Let me get Purnim. 19-year-old girls, 2 or 3 of them from very poor families. They are going around from place to place, and I have visuals of the MLA with folded hands sitting before a State Human Rights Commission. I mean, this seems a suspicious case. Let me get Purnima Advani in. She knows about this case. What do you think, Ms. Advani?
Arnav, I think this case is absolutely shocking. It is an MLA who's in a position of power, who's abusing his position of power to outrage young students who are trying to do their nursing course. I mean, this is it's gender insensitive, it's heinous, it's shocking. But what I'm also feeling extremely saddened about is the kind of position which the TDP chief and other leaders of the TDP are taking. To be very honest, Arnav, the first position that the TDP or any political party should take is to say the charges are serious, let the truth be known from falsity, let this man step down from his post, let the investigation be conducted without any influence or any power being yielded there, and let it be known what is the truth.
Let it be known. Why are you fielding him? Why are you defending him even without knowing the facts?
I am not fielding my MLA Ramarao. I am asking madam to come to Andhra Pradesh. This Andhra Pradesh government is totally vindicative, harassing the opposition MLAs.
Everything
and
can't be made
parties.
political.
I will give one
Sir,
example.
let the inquiry get over.
The story came in the Sakshi paper.
Let
Nobody
the inquiry
has
get
reported.
over.
It came in the Sakshi newspaper, belongs to Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh.
No, the CBCID, if the CBCID says there's a prima facie case, should we also pick that up and put that in the dustbin saying it's political? What happens to these 5 girls? They get caught. No, these 5 girls. What happened?
What happened? Then I am asking the collector and the SP of the same district. They interviewed the girls.
No.
They interviewed the girls individually, group wise. Finally, the RDO.
Ms. Advani wants to respond to you, Mr. Naidu.
The
Let her respond. She wants to respond. She wants to ask you a question. Go ahead.
Arnav,
Yes.
in the very first place, I think what needs a public apology is the TDP even coming out with a statement saying that these women have been purchased by the Congress. There seems to be a serious dispute on fact. The leader with you right now on air is attempting to dispute this statement. What we have heard is that they have said that these women have been purchased, which means, in short, not only
Mr.
are the
Naidu.
girls molested, but they are being labeled as purchasable commodities. How can this ever happen in our country?
No, madam, they may say like that. Just I am asking, in front of the district magistrate, in front of the district collector and SP, they have taken their photos and everything. They have gone to their native states very happily. So we don't want to study here unnecessarily. They
Why
writing
would
stories
somebody
and
go back?
everything.
Sir,
So that's
sir,
why they decided.
Why would
Sir,
they?
the point
After
is-
so many days.
Sir,
After so
Sir,
many
the
days,
point is,
what
if-
happened, you see?
if investigation is on, let the truth be known. It is in your interest that the truth should be known from the falsity. The only point is that the person who is in a position of power should step down for a few days. You can bring him back with a red carpet if he's as innocent as you claim him to be. We would all be happy about it. But please do not disturb the investigation process.
I will give the ground reality. The Congress person first lodged a complaint against the MLA. So he committed rape, followed by murder. Both offences are very grave.
No, but
That FIR is totally false. According
I'm not
to the
talking
present
about.
statement.
But Mr. Naidu, I have three very quick points to make to you. First of all, if these girls are indeed there is no problem, why do they want to leave that college? No, let me allow why would they want to leave the college unless
No,
they feel
themselves-
unless 1 minute, sir. Unless they feel that we
Why?
dared
Because
to.
unnecessarily, what happened, the local newspaper Sakshi belongs to Chief Minister's son.
The second is,
They are writing
Mr. Naidu, tell me one thing.
ugly
Answer
things.
one question. Mr. Naidu, answer one question. Just a citizen of this country, you are one of the most respected and senior politicians from your party at the
Yes.
national level. That's
Yes.
why I'm asking you this. Isn't it sad that every
see,
case, any
Mr.
case, sir, any case against any politician is given a political color. A politician never answers a charge as a citizen. He gives it a political color. So even Jagannath, who slapped the bank manager, could have gotten away by saying that also is a politically motivated case. He could have said that bank manager is also bought over by a political party. In fact, he could have named your party. So everything becomes political,
No,
including the
Arnav,
charge of
it
molestation
appears-
against 5 girls.
It
No,
appears
what
all
happened in
these
Andhra
people
Pradesh,
are
the
raped
Chief
in the
Minister
vote,
of
all
Andhra
are
Pradesh
innocent.
called Jagannatham and bank officer,
I've
they
talked-
settled the issue. Every time Andhra Chief Minister will say, law it will take its own course. Law it will work on their own.
No.
But what happened?
Okay.
He called Jagannatham, he called the bank officer
No.
to the airport.
No.
That's resolved the issue.
Okay.
As the Chief Minister, it is correct. The state of affairs,
Purnima
the state
Advani,
of
quick
affairs
rebut.
are going in Andhra Pradesh in that way.
Purnima Advani, quick rebut, then I wrap this up.
Very quick, Arnav, just because a member is a political party, it cannot be that the law cannot have it take its course and know what is to be done. Merely because there is a Congress ruling party, it does not mean that every MLA of TDP who is doing something wrong,
Okay.
it's a Congress who is trying to put a
Okay.
different picture. Let's
Right.
not politicize gender issues.
Let's not politicize gender issues.
them.
On
They
that, I think
must-
everybody stands with you. And Mr. Yeram Naidu for coming and speaking on the News Hour tonight.